Hello guys, welcome to Droid Crunch, and in this video we are going to see a head-to-head comparison between Phrase.io and Longshot.ai. Both the tools are amazing. If you want to create content, you want to use AI, you want to auto-generate headlines, outlines, questions, and you want to get content in less time. So both the tools are going to suffice your need. If you're using any of them, you can literally create content that your audience may like. So let's start with the Longshot.ai. This tool is completely an amazing tool if you want to create blog content, you want to rephrase the content, you want to create headlines intro, you want to get some blog ideas, and you want to have some blog insights, you want to create FAQs. If you want to create product copy, you can create it with Longshot.ai. You can generate that review, and you can have some product description. What you have to do, you just need to provide it the name of the product and the features of the product. Like these are examples out here, you can click and you can fetch the name and features just for your example, and you can generate it. And then you have marketing copy like this. You can generate AIDA kind of product marketing copy, and they are all other as well, like BAB, FAB, and PAS, that's problem agitated solution. So AIDA is also in Jarvis and most other content creation tools out there. So this thing is very literally amazing, and some of these are new, like blog ideas, product copy, marketing copy. You can see the roadmap out here, so you can find out whatever is new, like improvements have been launched in write more function, and all these things are releasing shortly. And if you have not watched my review video, you can check out the link in the description, or you can see the I button to watch my review on Longshot.ai. For now, let's see a quick description, a detailed comparison between Phrase and IO. So let's start with blog content for both of them. For example, I have this content like already there, so we can start from a new. So we can go with like how to make tea, like a very simple one. Yeah, so you can analyze the keywords. So as to you need content, you can make the best use of these keywords, and it will be just like in your selected keywords. So you can select them actually by just clicking on them. So make sure you select only those keywords which you feel are very relevant for the content that you are trying to create, and then you can add some subheadings as well in your research keywords. And then you can have some questions from Quora, Google, and Reddit. You can just click on them and select them, and this way you can select any of these subheadlines, questions, and keywords. And once done, you can choose the headline style, and then you can go to headline. So if there is a how to article like a CTA1, you can choose probably. Okay, so I need to skip this tour, then I can click this probably. Yeah, so let's quickly jump to headlines. Have chosen only 3 keywords, so you can get back anytime and choose the more of the keywords. Tea preparation, milk tea recipe, great tea recipe, make tea differently, uh, tea brewing guide, something like that. Okay, now we have enough of them. Yeah, now let's move on to headlines again. Okay, now we have more of the headlines, and we can choose any of these, and it will be added to your headline, and you can then jump to outline. And if you don't like the headlines that are in your suggested area, and if you are not happy with the output in other term, you can just regenerate it. Perfect. Now we have our outline suggestions right here, and you can choose your outlines from these. I will choose most of them, and it will get added. You can also add manually the outlines that you want. or if you want to change any text out of these outlines, you can simply do it and save it to your list. And otherwise you can just write down the revised one and then just hit anywhere else. And then you can, when you are okay with the outlines, you can just generate and improve the block, or in other words, you can just jump to your block section, and it will take 3 credits. So every time you click on the button, it will be charging you some credits. So now we are on our blog section where we can generate the content. This was not from us, it has been written by the AI of Longshot. So if you want to expand this content, you can just select all of this content and click on this expand content button, and it will be generating the text right here. Yeah, so that's probably very amazing. And if you are not happy with the you don't have the intro, you can just create the intro, like how to make loose leaf tea. It's asking me some description for the headline intro, right? So you can write down the description. I am not aware of loose leaf tree, so you cannot write it, but if you are aware of the content you're writing, you can definitely go with the description and generate the content. Or you can find out the description on Google by researching a little bit, and then you can generate the complete paragraph for your headline that way. It's amazing. And then you have like unstuck me feature, you have write mode feature, you have synopsis feature to write the conclusion kind of content for your blog. And this is all amazing. All of features are mentioned in my review video as well. So if you are not aware of them, any of this, then you can just check out my review video on longshot.ai. and here's like fact check and all the things that you need. And now let's jump to phrase.io and let's see how it's different from longshot.ai. So here, like all these templates to improve your content workflow, you can create from a manual template, or you can go with the AI template, and then you can create a template thing. But we are interested in blog content, so let's create a blog content by creating a new document. And it's the same way, we have some target search query, so we will use the same one, like how to make tea. We will start with how to make tea, and then we have folders to choose. I have this testing folder, and let's do it. While it's doing research right here, let's see one of the other feature of phrase.io. So the other feature is that you can create or simply optimize your existing content. You can just import the URL right down here. You can here write down the topic you have the post on, and then you can choose folder, and then could not create, just optimize the content. So you can, if you feel that your content is on 8th or 9th position and you can improve it, then you can just come over this page. You can optimize the existing content, and it will give you all the keywords that you have ranked for, or which are optimized and which need some optimization. So from that you can literally optimize your content and probably go to position 4 or 3 or probably 1 from 8. So that's very amazing feature of phrase.io, and I will recommend you to do that for existing content, because it may give you some boost in your search. Yeah, so let's get back to this. We have this topic and we don't have outline, so what we can do, we can just go to outline builder, input our keyword like this one, and we can just hit enter, and it will give us some keywords: how to make tea in a teaspoon, how to make tea with tea bag, how to make tea wine. So all of these are here, so we can choose any of this. We have by default selected this one. So we have some related questions, we can choose any of these questions, and these will be added to outlines. Perfect. And you can create document right from this page as well, or you can simply make use of this outlines and paste them right here. So that's perfect. And as you write the content, you will find all these keywords go like from this gray to green probably, and this is the indicator like how many times you can use this keyword to have better ranking. Yeah, so the more this keyword is like 2 to 3, the better chances are there that you can use this keyword multiple times, like 3 to 4. Perfect. And here all the writing editor features like inserting image, video, table, data, or listing kind of like uh, bullet points and all that. And then you can have this AI feature as well, like long shot. You can just click on this write for me feature and you can have some background content. You can choose the length by dragging it, and then you can have the creativity level and then write for me, and it will write the content for you of this much of length. Perfect. And then you can have some data about your content, like if it's on average 1235, it's perfect to rank. And then you can have some header information, how much it can have, links, images, and all that. Yeah, and you have these of much of headers from the competitor sites, and the links from the external domains. You can have this all stats right here, and these are all about the keywords of long tail that you can use in your content to have ranking. And it's also there in Surface SEO and Writer Gen and ClearScope, MarketMuse, and most of the softwares are providing this type of assistant while you are writing the content. So it's very useful to rank the content this way. And here are some other questions that you can utilize in your content, and these are from the SERP like search engine result pages, and these are from Quora, and these are from Reddit. So these questions are also there in Longshot.ai in the keyword research step, so you can make use of them as well. Like here, these are the questions right here, so that's the same way it gives you right there. So, but the difference is that you can utilize these keywords right here in the content, but in this case you are not able to do that. So that's very unfortunate, but I'm hoping that it can be worked out very well. And then you have this related tab to have more insights about the results, news, and Wikipedia that you can make use of. Yeah, so this is very easy to use builder of Phrase.io to create content. So you can write down anything, like we can copy paste from here and paste it right here. And you also have all these shortcuts to AI shortcuts to expand your content, paraphrase, find topics, passages, and all that you can make use of for your content. Yeah, and this will give you the amount of words you have written in the content, and you can literally go from 10 to 1, or literally create better content with Phrase.io. And the same goes with Longshot. Longshot is better in terms of creating or expanding or rephrasing your content, and the level of the quality of content it writes is very amazing. Like you can rephrase this content as well, just select it and rephrase it. So it takes a little bit of seconds, and then it just writes the content for you. And this feature is also there in Jarvis, and that works also perfect. And this was all for the today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in comments if you have used both of these softwares, like which one is better for you in your opinion. And you can also share your case studies about how you did with your software, and this way you can help other users as well in the comment section, or you can probably go with your content creation as well. So this was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos like this, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new video that we are uploading. Till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.